Welcome to 12th Avenue Cuisine 2024. And the name of this episode is, Does She Still Have It? So you can explain that one, Laurie.
Well, it's been probably close to a year since we've stretched out a real non-gluten-free pizza. So we're going to see whether I can still do it. I made our favorite Biga dough from Kitchen and Craft, and hopefully we'll be successful.
And I want to apologize. We got a bunch of crows. We have some tall redwoods around us, and they're kind of roosting there. So, but we're going to go forward. Apologize for the impact on the audio. And tonight we're drinking a California red wine called Saldo, and it's made by the Prisoner Wine Company. And when we first purchased it, it was $23 a bottle at
Costco.
So, and I'm having a little bit of wine tonight. I'm still remaining gluten-free, but I can have a little bit of wine from time to time. So I'm gonna
He's going to indulge
tonight.
See what happens.
And in the event we have any pickleball fans in our audience, I would encourage you to stay tuned to the end of the video, because there'll be some outtakes of Laurie and I's drill session this morning, and I think I'll include part of our skinny singles game. So,
Oh, yes, of course.
And it's really a shameful promotion for our other YouTube channel called 2512 Pickleball. So, why not drop in, see if you like the content, and if you do, subscribe. At least give a thumbs up to the videos that we're going to start putting up on that channel.
Well, the dough's still pretty stretchy.
Good
it's
deal.
a good deal. We'll see how it comes out.
Are you going to lift it up on your knuckles and all that too?
No.
You're not.
Probably.
I mean, come on. It's been a year. Now, we did do a video, I think a week or so ago, letting everyone know that we're back, and it was a gluten-free, and that dough was not like a gluten dough, so Laurie had to handle it a little bit different. So This is really her first stretching and preparation and launching, and so we'll see.
Making my sauce.
Yep.
And
getting back in the swing of things. And again, if you're local to the area and you see this video and you'd like to join us on the set as a taster or as a pizza maker, let us know in the comments, and then we'll figure out a way on how we get on touch with each other. I think we still have 12th Avenue Cuisine Facebook group, which is a good way to communicate.
We also have the 2512 Gmail. Right?
For pickleball, we do.
No, we have a 2512.
No, we have a 12th Avenue Cuisine maybe email. We're
12th Avenue.
We're going to have to sort that out. But I think the best way is just through our Facebook group, or leave a comment if you'd like to join us, and we'll work out the details.
Okay, Parmesan goes on first because it's most likely to burn. And this is our whole milk mozzarella that I grated. I don't think you can, any other mozzarella.
I'm okay with mozzarella.
Oh, Bill can have mozzarella.
Yeah. Right now, what's not so good for me is the gluten, but I am going to take a little taste of this pizza.
Maybe just so he can critique it.
Yeah, and it would be a little bit of test. Was it a temporary thing where I became gluten intolerant, and now I'm on, getting back to a more normal state, or what? But so from time to time, I taste a little bit.
Yeah,
and,
this is salami.
See if I get a response.
I didn't have any pepperoni, but I did have some salami. So.
Wow, that's come together really quickly, Laurie. And let's check the temperature. Wow.
Perfect.
All right, we're 925 in the center, 502 in
Remember,
the right corner,
you always turned it down to the uni low.
and 471. So I'm going to turn it down.
Okay. So one of the things Bill's tried to stay away from tomatoes and pork. But maybe this is beef salami.
But we're gonna taste a little bit tonight. All right.
Okay.
So we ready to drag?
Okay.
No, I think. Okay, you want me over here? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, like a pro, like a pro. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's on me.
Now,
Can I launch it properly? Let's see what we do here. Get it about in the middle. Give it a shove.
looks good.
And I think we can call that a success. Let's. Is that you?
Oh no, that's yours.
Yeah, no, that's you.
No, that's
Cheers,
yours.
Laurie. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
If you think Laurie did a good job, please leave a comment.
Give
Yeah.
it a thumbs up.
Okay, here. And let me get into my.
Oh, we need to get our pizza round and our rack ready.
Our what?
Our rack.
We have a rack and everything. So.
But usually we put it up here on this thing. You know, we put it in here.
Oh, okay. Good. Now I'm.
Our
not sure
pizziola
which way-
needs some help.
Which way I want to go?
I don't know. Is that? Did you?
Yeah, I think I'll save us a little cleaning tonight and use the uni round pizza peel.
That looks pretty good, Bill.
So far, so good. Let's not jinx it. And your crust is your dough is rising nicely. And if you see things that I'm doing wrong as the pizziola, leave a comment there as well. I'm open to criticism.
Don't give us a thumbs down because we're newbies.
We're not newbies. We're just oldies that have taken a hiatus and now we're back.
The wine is good.
The wine is very good.
Looks good.
We got a little char, which you like.
My favorite.
I think we're good here. Where's our rack? So here's where we're at so far. You want to go a little longer?
No, I think it looks pretty good.
What is, can you see the bottom?
Yeah, it's got some.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to call this.
Now get the.
Well, yeah, we'll let that, let's let that
Cool off
sit
a little.
for a little bit. I'm going to turn off the oven. And here's our social media effort here, so just bear with us for a minute. And we'll get on to 12th Avenue Cuisine. And if you'd like to follow us,
Oh, hello to everybody who commented recently that we're back. RBI 25, Cecil Clements, Tim Gilstrom, Brian Chan.
hey Tim, how is it up there in Minnesota right now, huh? Hey? My recollection living in the Chicago area, it could be quite cold up there right now. All right, let me take one more picture. And
Just in case.
Well, yeah, this one I might put on the thumbnail. And boy, Laurie, Good job, good dough. Oh, we'll do it on the pizza round.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to put the...
Are you sure you're going to have a taste, Bill? I was going to have that whole thing for me.
Oh, okay, well. All right, well, the moment of truth.
Here we go.
We'll use our uni pizza cutter. I hear the cracking. Okay, well, this looks like burn the top of your mouth hot still.
Yeah.
But let's see if we can't get...
Oh, crust looks good on the side.
Yeah. Nice rise. Okay, Laurie, you go first.
Okay. Mmm. Looks like I remember.
Just like you remember. Okay, now I'm going to taste this. This may give me problems later on, but I got to taste it.
You have to admit, though, the gluten-free pizzas really weren't that bad.
Yes, they were not that bad. Yeah, they were not that bad. But I think of all the things I miss being with my current gluten intolerant state, it's pizza. You know, I can go without the bread. As good as sourdough is, with you're having a bowl of soup and you want to have a warm piece of sourdough with some butter, I can live without that. I can live without donuts. I can live without pies. But it's been a challenge living without pizza. So I'm gonna go one more. And the salami tastes really good. Whose salami is it?
I think it was Gallo.
Yeah. Okay, well, this is your spotlight.
I think I still got it.
I think you still got it, and I'll drink to that. And the Biga, right? Mm-hmm. It's as good as ever. Really nice rise. I think we did well. That oven was really hot. I don't think I've had it up to like 934 in the center before. And it's going to be interesting when I look at the video to edit it. I don't think the pizza was in there very long.
No. Oh, it was only like a minute and a half, I think.
Yeah, that's almost like we're getting in Neapolitan territory. Mm-hmm. And you know, this, I do like this round. Although this is nice too, but you've got to take the pizza out of the oven to turn it with the tongs, where with the round you can lift it up and you can rotate it and keep it in the oven. And I think that's part of why, you know, we had such a short cook time. Plus, I think it's a very good dough, and it took the heat, and we have some nice leoparding around the outside. So, wow, sweetie, good job. You got it. So,
but I did buy a lot of different flours: millet flour, corn flour, tapioca flour, potato flour, all different kinds of flours to make gluten-free pizza. That is supposed to be just as good as regular pizza. So we are going to be making some pizzas since I just bought all that flour yesterday, not knowing that he was going to taste any today.
Well, maybe in the comments, if you have an interest in gluten-free pizzas, let us know. And that'll help us decide on what we should be doing. I mean, definitely, I think the majority of our pizzas are going to be our typical gluten-style pizzas that you're going to see in 2024. But we will throw in some gluten-free pizzas from time to time if that's something you're interested in. We'll look at the comments. So help us make the decision on what we should do from time to time there.
The one thing I did realize, and I knew this already, is the Caputo gluten-free flour contains wheat starch, and it's been deglutenized. But for those people that do have a wheat intolerance, it really wouldn't be acceptable. So.
And I don't really know if I have a wheat tolerance or not.
No.
So I think we're going to maybe use the Caputo gluten-free with the wheat starch, and then
to see whether you get a reaction.
Yeah, see if I get a reaction.
We're going to use you as a barometer.
I will be the test guy. So anyway, any last thoughts? Good job.
No,
Excellent
I was
taste.
kind of surprised that it came out pretty good.
Yeah, and I think even I mean from the underside here, maybe we could have gone a little crispier, but
Yeah. Now, one of the advantages to Bill being ill is
I'm not ill.
or having his problem.
I don't have a
is
problem.
We both of us lost quite a bit of weight.
Oh, well, okay, yeah, that's true.
Yes. And so we ate a lot. We're eating a lot more vegetables and very limited protein, and of course no starches, no pasta.
Yeah, no, we shouldn't be talking about weight loss on a pizza channel, Laurie.
Well, that's true.
But I will say this: when you can't eat a lot of variety of foods, it's kind of easy to kind of drop down a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, excellent job. Let us know how we did. Do you want to see more? Give us a thumbs up. Those thumbs ups are very important to the channel, and we look forward to reading your comments. Other than that, we want to thank our subscribers for hanging with us and all the viewers that have continued to tune in. We much appreciate it. What do we always say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Otherwise,
See you later. See you next
later.
time.
See you next time. Good job.
1-0.
He has dated some people, and
You're serving.
But is now, I think, looking to kind of like not really have a serious relationship, but just kind of like have fun. It's like, what does that mean about that? Like, okay, you gotta stop that. Actually, yeah, nothing. But she's like in her head about like she just has revisionist history on everything, and I'm like, we're all just like, yeah, you gotta stop.
1-1.